Are you planning to travel this holiday season? Let's learn some airport vocabulary. The first thing I'm going to do is check in. I'm going to check in for my flight. And now we're going to tag our bags and get them ready to check. We're going to check our bags. This bag is small, so I'm going to carry it on. And this bag is big, so I'm going to check it. And now we're going to go through security. Now we need to check the flight status. Is the flight on time? Delayed? Canceled? Two more terms you can use at the airport are catch a flight and miss a flight. Catch a flight means to take the airplane where you want to go, to take your trip. But if you miss a flight, then you're too late and you don't get on the airplane. We don't want that. We have the boarding passes, and now we're going to get on the plane. The word we sometimes use is board. We're going to board the plane. When somebody's getting on an airplane, you can say, have a good flight, or have a safe trip. We are here and it's time to get our bags. And now it's time to get our bags. I'm gonna get my bag from the baggage claim. Thanks for traveling with me. If you're traveling anywhere this year, I hope you have a safe flight.